In this session, we are going to see how to handle these data stage jobs through command line. Whatever we have seen till now, what all like tool GUI. So I want to run this job means I have multiple options I can run through director, or else I can go for designer. There are multiple ways. As well, we have command line option even. So today we are going to see command line. How can we handle these data stage jobs through command line? First of all, basic of some commands we'll see the list of the commands as I discussed here, listed here. So -run, -stop, -l projects, -list of jobs, link vacations and stages, links, project info, job info, stage info, params, and param info, log sum, log detail, log list. So these all are different commands that we can use using dsjob command. Using dsjob command. If you want to see the list of files, just go to the command line. What you can do here is, first of all, you need to go to a path, one specific path. Why we have to go for a specific path? Because the ds job command is command can work in that particular bin path of data stage, because the profile is set in that path. So if you go for cd, one second, I'll just make a file list, and I want to go for this server, and this is the path that I'm giving as I know, and ds engine, and here we can go for bin path. So here, if you want to know in your system whether this commands, dsjob commands are executing or not, just give dsjob. So now this is the output. Using dsjob, what all commands you can see or run you are using is these all the commands that you can use. That is what the list of commands that I mentioned in my notepad even. So you can run these jobs, dsjob, using this dsjob line, command line. Okay. So as we are in this path, I have one syntax. See, these all are this is what a dsjob command syntax. I have just maintained in the notice notepad. So we'll see this now. So dsjob -domain. Domain means nothing but your host name. How can you get this host name? Means once you are into the login page, so you can see the host name. So this is your host name, nothing but a domain. Nothing but a domain. And the user, we are logging through using Ravana, and the password even the same, Ravana. And server is, the server is, this is a project name and this is your server name. So you can specify as a server as the host name path, that the computer name. And if you see the computer name, because my laptop, my personal machine is server to me, so the server would be my computer name. So that is what the computer name we have here. And next we have the commands. So up to here it is common. From here you can use your commands. From here you can use the commands. Okay, so if this command executes successfully in this path, what would be the output? So what I have given, I have given the project info of Ravana, the project info of Ravana. So what I got, the host name, where it is installed, where the project, and the path of the project is stored. And the status code, if you see, it is 0. If it executes successfully, you get 0. Okay, if you don't execute, if the code executes not properly, you get this error. Okay, for example, if I say Shurana 1 and there is no project called Ravana 1. So what command we are going to get? Failed to open the project. Status code 100. Apart from 0, if you get that code, the command is not executed properly. So that's what you need to understand according to this syntax. Okay, so now we want to see the list of projects. You can use this dsjob command. So list of projects. If you see here, you get some projects list. Analyze the project, data click Ravana, and status code is 0. If you go to this project and give this username and password, if you drop down, you get 7 projects: Analyzer, data click, and Ravana projects. So these are the list of projects. You can see the same. Okay, so this is L project, L projects, that is list of projects, that is a command that we see. So I'm just showing you. If you want to see the jobs, you can give L jobs and the project name. That would work. Okay, L jobs and project name. And in that job, in that project, what job was there, you can list out and you can see. So these are like document of the code of the job and all. Okay. So I'll just show you how to run one particular job in datastage. Assume that I have a sample load job. This is the job name. What I'll do, I'll just place this command again. I'll repeat it. Mean just for taking copy. What I'll do here, I'll just use hyphen run and see if you see run demo. Demo is not, it's a project name, but of course you don't see here because the demo project I don't have. So this is Ravana project run and the project job name is sample load job. Control C, command line, paste it and click on enter. So sample load job, see, it is going to run. It is running through command line. It is running through command line. So status code is 0. So like that you can stop the job even. You can stop the job and you can pass the parameters even with param with a command called lparams. You can see those info of that param, what values you passed on. So this is the way that you can use some dsjob commands to run datastage jobs through command line. Okay, so you can run the sequencers even. Okay, what I'll do, I'll show you one sequencer also. We can go to the sequencer. For example, we have seen some sequential flow or sequencer activity. Okay, I'll just show you this sequencer activity. Job to execute. So when I run sequencer, what will happen? Automatically it will execute with the jobs, parallel jobs. So I ran parallel jobs individually. Now I'm running with sequencer. So now go to the director and see now. So sequencer job, okay, it's aborted because of the reason we'll see. Parameter set dot cell. Okay. So some parameters concept is giving some error. Okay, what I'll do to execute, just simply I'll just show you this job. The sequence that I'm going to execute now. Control C, and this is the job I'm going to run now. So it's executing, and in that what will happen? Sample load job will execute. Next, remove duplicate job or copy operator job should run. So remove duplicate job is running. So this is the way you can execute your jobs in command line. So DS job commands. I hope this video will help you to run the jobs through command line. Okay, you can see the list. You can practice on the list of these all giving through this syntax. Okay, thanks for your time. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.